Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to make poll in Facebook Messenger group chat. If you want to make a poll in Facebook Messenger group chat, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged in. If you do not already have an account, create a new one to continue. Next, open any group chat where you want to create a poll. Once you are inside the chat, look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will open a menu with additional options, including the poll feature. Tap on poll, and you will see a space to enter your question. Type your question clearly in the given area so all group members can understand it. After that, you can add multiple options for your question. You can include as many choices as needed, so everyone in the group can pick the answer that fits them best. Once you have added all the options, tap the Create Poll button. This will post the poll directly into the group chat. Everyone in the group can now see it and participate. To answer the poll, simply tap on your chosen option and hit the Submit button. Your vote will be counted, and the results will update in real time so everyone can see which option is leading. This is a great way to make decisions quickly in group chats, whether it is for planning events, picking a movie, or deciding on a group activity. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.